Hi guys, we have this Vim dishwash bar. So in this video, let's see its review. So this 250 gram dishwash bar comes in a waterproof tub. Plus we have a scrubber worth ₹7 free inside this pack. And MRP of this 250 gram bar is 32 rupees. It comes in different packaging option. And in the pack we have this bar and the free sponge. Sponge is okay types and the soap is green in color. The bar has a plastic coating on the bottom that helps prevent it from sogging quickly and makes it last longer. And it has a lemon fragrance because the soap is made up of lemon. And it is very easy to use. Simply wet the bar, rub it on a wet sponge and now move on to the dishes to create rich lather. The lather effectively removes grease and grime, making it easy to clean even the toughest of the stains. I've been using Vim for years and it removes all the grease very easily. Compared to other dishwash bar, it creates better lather. And Vim can be used on all kind of utensils including your glass and ceramic coated utensils. And you can use it to clean up your gas stove, marble countertop, kitchen sink. A very common complaint with Vim bar is they do mush. Just make sure that you squeeze out all the water from the tub and try not to keep wet sponge on the top of the bar. This will make sure your Vim bar do not mush. I heavily depend on this dishwash bar. It's very effective. Of course, it makes the hand dry. So after washing, it's important to apply moisturizer cream. The only problem which I could find with the tub is this free sponge. This one is useless. They could have given a better sponge. But cleaning effect is really good. It removes all kind of dirt and stain from the utensils. If you are looking for a reliable and effective dishwash bar, you can give this a try and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.